Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install rare and zip file packing and unpacking archives app on your XIAOMI Redmi 10C. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here search for an app. Install RAR, click search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. We'll need to grant it all file access. So here select RAR and enable it like that. Now if we go back to the app, dismiss this notification, our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.